Welcome to another one of my videos. You can help support this channel by subscribing and by grabbing one of my free ebooks. In this video, we are looking at the Sierra Bees chapsticks, and we're looking at the 8-count package. If you're just looking for rewards or promo code for iherb, here it is. You can find this product on iherb by clicking on the link above and going to my website. You will also save 5% by using the link that's on my website. Now let's get to the unboxing. Stick to the end of this video and I'll tell you how you can save a lot of money on this set. This is a variety pack put out by Sierra Bees. It comes with 8 chapsticks in a variety of scents. Now, of course, Sierra Bees is USDA organic and has no GMOs and is cruelty-free. I actually bought this product because I was actually tired of using chapsticks that had artificial scents in it. It started to bother me, so I went to use this product that has essential oils in it instead of the chemically produced scents. I'll now read off the ingredients in each of the chapsticks. The first one is cocoa butter. It is made with olive oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, sunflower oil. The next is honey, and it is also made with olive oil, beeswax, natural flavor, sunflower oil, and it has vitamin E and honey extract in it. Next is mint burst. It is also made out of olive oil, beeswax, and it has peppermint oil, spearmint oil, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. That's good. All these chapsticks have vitamin E in it for your health of your lips. Next we have pomegranate. It's made from olive oil, beeswax, natural flavor, sunflower oil, vitamin E, and pomegranate oil. Shea butter and argan oil includes olive oil, shea butter, beeswax, vitamin E, and argan oil. Next we have tamanu and tea tree. I'm not sure I pronounced the first word correctly. And it includes olive oil, beeswax, tamanu oil, sunflower oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E. Our second to last is unflavored. It is basic chapstick, which includes olive oil, beeswax, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. Finally, we have creme brulee, which includes olive oil, beeswax, flavor, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. And those are the 8 chapsticks that come with this pack. And now I'll complete the unboxing. As you can see, it's just basic. You have the 8 chapsticks that I listed previously in the container that it comes with. I'm so glad that I found these. They are really nice. And I'll actually be creating a review video later on, so look for it. And just a reminder, you can save 5% off your entire order by using this promo code or by going to the link above and going to the product page on iherb. And here's even better news. This product is normally $8, but right now you can get it 75% off. Just don't forget to click the link above and use my website link, and you can save 75% off and still get an additional 5% off by using this promo code. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share. Until next time.